Oh my god, you guys, guess what? I'm about to be 32 in February, and I just made my first Ulta makeup purchase literally in my life. I feel like in my 30s, I'm experiencing a lot of new things, but this right here is just like, when have you ever seen anybody make their first Ulta purchase in their 30s? What? I'm embarrassed, but I am so excited to show you guys what I got at Ulta. I'm gonna show you guys how much I saved.
Just wanna be your girl.
Everything that I did purchase at Ulta is from the brand Morphe, and that's just because they were having a sale. I am very low maintenance when it comes to makeup. I don't really do a full glam. I'm still trying to learn makeup. Mind you, I am an esthetician. I learned the basics of makeup in school. However, I wasn't in school for the makeup part. I was in there for the skin part. Now that I'm getting a little bit more into makeup, I'm excited. And the only reason why I even purchased at Ulta is because I have a 9-year-old twin, okay? And she is the only reason why I even stepped foot at Ulta, because my mother never took me to Ulta when I was 9 years old. Now that I am a mom of a 9-year-old, she's so into the skincare, the lip glosses, the lip balm, the hair care, the Sol de Janeiro perfumes. She's the only reason why I even stepped foot at Ulta. And while she was at school, I went back and I was taking a look at their sales, and Morphe just happened to have a huge sale. So I'm about to show you guys everything that I got. I purchased these products January 9th, so it has been about a week now since I bought these. So it has been about 6 days since I bought these products, and I have not used literally none of them because I have been waiting to share with you guys. And if you guys think I'm doing my makeup in the wrong way, like, I was taught the basic skills of makeup in school. However, I'm not like an extra professional at it. I'm literally just a girl trying to get into makeup fully, so bear with me. I'm going to do a rundown of literally everything that I got and what the sale was. The setting spray, which they scanned, this was $10.18 after the original price was $18. The foundation, this cost me $11.31. Originally is $20. It was 40% off. This primer was originally $16, but with their 40% off that they were having on, it only cost me $9.05. The mini bake and set soft setting powder, this was originally $8, but I did get it on sale once again at $7.54. I have been wanting contouring stick. This is a Morphe Sun and Done Smoothing Gliding Bronzer Stick. This was originally $12, but it was on sale, which I got it at $11.32. Overall, the total was $52.36 after taxes, and I did save myself a whooping $24.60. So not too bad, being my first Ulta purchase. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup. If you guys want to see the final look, just stick around. Also, make sure you go check out my channel if you guys want me to do more of these haul videos. I always find myself finding the best deals and best sales, whether it's Ulta, TJ Maxx, any other store. So if you guys really like a haul video, make sure you comment down below where you guys want me to shop next, and subscribe to my channel. We are gonna go in first with Morphe's Equalizer Foundation Primer Based. And I'm gonna be so for real with you guys. The reason why I just never really liked shopping at Ulta or Sephora is because, to me, it's just so overwhelming trying to look for the perfect shade for my skin. I normally always stick to my basic skin foundation, which I normally get like at Walmart or Target. Like I said, they were having a sale and I just could not I could not pass on it, especially being Morphe. Now I am gonna go in with Morphe's Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation in the shade Medium 13. I'm also going to be using Real Techniques makeup spatula, which looks like this. I don't really like putting my makeup directly on my brushes or on my hand. I just hate the feeling of it being on top of my hand. Now we're gonna go in with Morphe's Sun and Done Smooth Gliding Bronzer Stick in the shade Sand Beach. We're gonna see how it looks. This is pretty much like a contouring stick. And I believe you can use it for an eyeshadow as well. I really don't like doing too much with my makeup. I'm gonna let that sit in for a minute, and then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe's Mini Bacon Set Translucent Powder. Okay, I'm gonna take this little sponge, this baby tiny sponge, and I'm so upset because it's so dirty. I think Chloe got into my makeup bag the other day and used this. So I'm gonna go have to wash literally all of my brushes. Now I'm gonna take some of this right here, just add a little tiny bit to my upper eye. Give it a little bit of color. I'm gonna be using my Dibs brush so we can blend all of this in. I am loving this bronzer stick, I'm not gonna lie. I have been needing a bronzer stick in my life for the longest time. I was so close to buying Fenty's contouring stick, which I still am gonna buy and try it out. But when I saw that Morphe was having a sale and that their stick was on sale as well, I was like, might as well just try that one out first and see how it goes, and then just purchase Fenty's. This in, and I'm gonna go back with the number 100 Real Technique brush and get a little bit of highlighter on my cheekbones and the nose area. And I'm gonna try something different now, guys, because I have been seeing all over TikTok that the girls are no longer blending in their setting powder. They're spraying their finishing spray and then letting the setting spray soak into the setting powder. I'm gonna try it out and see. By the way, I'm gonna go in with Morphe's mattifying setting spray. It smells really good. And then we're just gonna let it soak in and see how it looks. Well, I am just going to add a little bit of lip shine. I also have been wanting to play with lip liners, lip stains, but baby steps, baby steps. I feel like my lips can be full, but at the same time, there's times where my lips just act like they're not there. I don't know if this is actually going to set in, or do I have to blend it in? I don't know. We'll just blend in the rest of it. Again, we're gonna do a powder bronzer over this just so that we can get that more contouring effect. Okay, I am loving it. Guys, this is the final look with all of Morphe's products. I am definitely loving the glow, the coverage of this foundation, and I absolutely love this bronzer stick. I literally love every single product that I got at Ulta. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this everyday glam? I'm just gonna take this off, and you guys let me know what you think in the comments, what other products you guys would like me to try out, because I am down to try more products out. Or if you guys just simply want me to take you shopping with me and see what products are on sale, that way you guys can check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and makeup tutorial video, and I will see you guys in my next one.